Everyone, welcome you all to Revamp YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see about Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts. So here the institute is under Ministry of Culture, Government of India, which is offering short-term courses. So before going to see about this video, if you haven't subscribed to Revamp YouTube channel, then do subscribe to Revamp YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So here comes the short-term courses. So the courses which all are here, it is documentary and ethnographic filmmaking, screenwriting, folklore and intangible cultural heritage, and then research methodology, so Indian knowledge traditions, Bavi. So these are all the courses. You can see that you have to apply before 9th of April. So you have to make the payment which has been mentioned here. The courses will start from tentatively 15th of April. So due to coronavirus, there are some other issues also may happen. You have to keep on watching the website as well as Revamped YouTube channel. Also you can follow. I will do update. You can see that the duration of the courses is 12 weeks. So the class schedule is 5 till 5 p.m. You can see that Saturday and Sunday only, from morning 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. it is there. So here comes the course fee, which is 20,000 for documentary and ethnographic filmmaking, and then you can see that the screen rating also 20,000, and other courses are 10,000 each. So please do apply through online mode only. In the description box I will give the link. So here comes, they have given some clarification numbers. If you have any query, so you can call them and you can write a mail to them. Thank you.